How to fix Meso App OTP not received problem. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to fix Meso App OTP not received problem. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, ensure that you enter the correct phone number on your device. If entering the correct phone number, even you don't get OTP, then you have to follow the next step. Exit from the application and look for the updates. Outdated app might create this kind of issues. Launch Play Store on a device. Now search for Meso app. If you find updates, select it and update it to the latest version. Now clear the cache. Clearing cache might fix this kind of glitches on a device. Tap and hold on Meso app. Now tap App Info. Select Storage Uses and tap Clear Cache. Now finally restart your device. Hold on the power button on your device and toggle towards the restart, and after that your Meso app OTP not received problem will be solved. That's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.